Hi, toasters and two bets. Look who I got to come and do some work today. And the sun out. Boy, that must ain't gonna be for long. That must ain't gonna be for long. Boy, what we got here? Little fire tree. Who say we don't do budget bills? Who say we don't do nice budget bills? What you doing to it, Round? Go on and talk to him, knuckle busters. Yeah, dang. Man, knuckle busters, talk to him, man. Follow him on IG or something, man. You need your engine or something built. Now the camera rolling, you should be able to talk. You got your business going.
Yes, sir. We gonna talk. We gonna talk.
Live and direct. What we got going on with this one here?
We took the heads off. We got an old motor that had a little lifter tap. Taking some LS7 lifters in them. Gonna put a new cam in them.
LS7?
Yeah, LS7 lifter.
Oh, what's the difference?
Try to go solid, man. This had that DOD in it.
Oh, we taking the DOD to lead out.
Yeah, it had a little tick track, so we took it all out. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some trash lifters in it. New cam, new oil pump.
New cam? Look down in there. What that cam look like? They got a little wear on it?
Yeah, got a little wear on it. A little 160,000 mile motor.
Shoot, about 300,000 mile motor on that mug, man.
Losing up the cylinder, make sure the cylinders look happy.
Still rolling, still flowing easy, so.
Losing them up with some WD-40 just so don't get no rust tarnish on us while we got it open. You know, it ain't gonna be down too long.
Yeah, so we got the heads off. We'll take them and get the springs put on. Put the springs on, drop the pan, check the pickup tube, put the oil pump in it. Fresh seal all of this mess here, man. Seal it all back up. Make it look decent. Man, the customer only had a budget of X amount of dollars. So, hey, we reach his X amount of dollars. Anything more than that, man, ain't nothing donated. Y'all know how to go. Huh? So, all in all, about how much? How many horsepower? How many horsepower out this 5.3 with a stage 2 cam?
We're gonna get to the tires on that big wheel, man. We're gonna try to put about 400.
400. 400. That ain't significantly bad. This was a truck motor. So we're taking the truck intake off and we got a Corvette intake we'll be putting on this sucker here. Give it a little more of the low rise look. Look a little more cleaner. And you know, we'll clone it out and say it's a 5.7 or LS1. And y'all will pretty much believe it.
It's gonna run like what I promised. It's gonna run good.
But that's the game, you know what I mean? Hey, his shit, his show. But in the meantime, my boy Knuckle Buster's gonna make it go. So we say about 500, about 400?
About 400.
About 400. 400 to the tire?
About 400 to the tire.
Oh, damn. So in all, it should be about what? About 450, 460?
450, yeah.
About 440. Okay.
Yeah, we're going to put all those seals in the front, back. While we got it out, like I said, last thing we're going to do is have a little oil leak.
Last.
And all that, so we're going to put all that stuff in new.
Sweet.
New gaskets, everything all around.
So he taking these
Lifters out.
little nubs out of here, man.
Yeah.
Putting LS7s in there. So we're going to do a stage 2, what? Brian Tooley, Texas Speed. Brian Tooley. Yeah. Stage 2 Brian Tooley cam. That way we'll be able to do a 2800 stall converter.
Yeah. Something happened.
Something happened. Going into 74 donk, so. But this is the before. So y'all see what it looked like before, man. After we clean it up. Take the stuff to the machine shop. Let them clean all the stuff off. Clean the pistons off. New head gasket. Put it back together. PSI, we need you. We're going to paint it, make it look nice. Check the crank, check the bearings once everything come all off of it. Like I say, if he say everything look good, man, we're putting it back together. If not, we'll go ahead and pay attention to it while it's out. Definitely check the cam bearings while it's out. They are cheap enough to easily replace.
Right. New bearings, new springs for the heads and all. heads and shoulders, get them cleaned up, recheck.
In a minute.